How to change to landscape in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva. Here, click on resize at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on resize at the top left corner of your screen, click on resize. After you've clicked on resize again, scroll down and click on custom size. After you've clicked on custom size, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, simply click on the height or width option. Then you will be able to scroll, and at the bottom you'll find landscape. Simply click on it, and at the bottom, instead of try it for free, simply click on confirm and your size will be changed, but you will need a pro version for that. This is how to change to landscape in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.